How to reset Fifth Third Bank password. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official Fifth Third Bank website by typing www.53.com in the address bar. Next, on the home page, find the login section at the top right corner and click on it. Below the user ID and password fields, click on the link that says Forgot Login. Then you will be asked to enter your last name, social security number, zip code, and account or card number, then hit Next. Follow the instructions and type the required information carefully. After that, verify your identity by answering security questions or entering a code sent to your email or phone. Once your identity is confirmed, you will be prompted to create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong and secure. Finally, confirm the new password and submit it. You can now use this new password to log into your Fifth Third Bank online account. Remember to keep your password safe and do not share it with anyone. And that's it. Now you know how to reset Fifth Third Bank password. If you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.